Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this short video, we're going to talk a little bit more about business loan brokers, so you know exactly what they do and how the process works when you're working with loan brokers. So, a business loan broker is actually someone who works with business owners, helping them secure business loans with banks or other lending institutions, even private investors. Now, these brokers serve as basically middlemen, so they're basically working between maybe you as the borrower and the actual lender working forward to get you a loan. So, a broker's job is to actually know and understand all these different loans and the whole business loan landscape to know what type of loans are actually available for the borrowers they work with. And their job's also to know the lenders that each type of these loan programs fit within and know the individual loan requirements for each lender. So that way they can actually help the borrower not only just find the right loan program, but actually work with the right lender as well. So with this knowledge, a broker then works with borrowers to explain their possible loan options and even go through the possible terms of what they may get on the loan, and even the actual end loan terms that they get when the loan is finally approved. Now, once a borrower requests that a broker move forward with the loan, the broker then locates the lending source who can then get them the absolute best terms. So ultimately, you're finding a loan broker to help you find the best loan at the best terms. And when you do find them, then they usually go through, explain all the terms you may get, you tell them you want to move forward, and they move forward to actually find the best loan and program for you. And then the broker works with you to actually complete your application, get any other documents that lender may want, and then to actually submit the loan into that loan institution. Then they work with the underwriting team at that bank to actually get those deals approved. Now, the broker usually works with underwriting to secure the actual loan approval, and then that loan approval is then provided to the broker, and the broker presents and explains the terms to the borrower. Now, that's usually done through what's called an actual term sheet. So they'll get the terms from the lender in a term sheet, they present it to you, for example, as the borrower, and then they actually continue even sometimes to negotiate the terms on your behalf to get you the absolute best terms that are available. So once the terms are accepted, then the broker supplies the signed documents to the lenders, which usually is the term sheet and any other documents the lender may need. And then they work with the actual rep at the banks, and in a lot of cases directly with underwriting, to get the deal through final due diligence. So every lender, once they approve you, they tell you what income documents you need, they get it, you sign off, then they go through what's called a final due diligence phase, where they're actually getting items like verifying that your rent is up to date, that you don't have any public records that they missed the first time around, etc. So the broker actually works with the lender through this process to get the final loan approval, and then the broker sees the loan all the way through until the deal actually funds and the money's available in your bank account. Now, in most cases, that broker gets paid by the lender once the deal funds. In almost all loans, the actual lender will pay the broker when the actual deal funds. Now, the payment varies based on the loan amount and the type of fees that the borrower may pay, and other factors as well. And some brokers will even charge a separate fee. Some brokers will charge an upfront application fee. Some brokers will actually charge a funding fee as well. But it's important to know that brokers are also paid in most cases by the lender. So to find the best broker, you really want to find one that works with the most amount of lenders and the greatest amount of loan programs, and find one with experience that knows what they're doing. Work with brokers that close more deals so they can help you get the best terms. Look, being a loan broker is all about having relationships with banks. So the more experienced loan broker you work with, the more deals that they've closed in the past, the more experience, or probably the deeper relationships they have, and the better off they can help you. So beware that a lot of them do charge additional fees. So just be on the lookout for that. Make sure are they charging you up front? Are they charging you extra fees when the deal closes? Those types of things are very important. So it's always risky paying upfront fees in case the deal doesn't close. So if you are being asked for an application fee, for example, then make sure you know that if that deal doesn't close, does that get refunded? Does it not get refunded? Those type of things, it's important to note in any of those situations where, of course, you're required to pay upfront fees. So that being said, that kind of walks through and teaches you a lot that you need to know about working with business loan brokers. Now, if you like this video and then you found this information helpful, then please like the video below and make sure that you actually click to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Credit Suite for our full 30 30 to 60-minute coaching sessions. Now, these longer video maps out lots of other types of financing you can get, the process to get approved for financing, how to get approved for loans and credit lines, where to go to get approved, even how to get credit for your EIN that's not linked to your SSN. So please make sure you like and subscribe, and then I look forward to seeing you on our next video.